over the next couple of weeks, we at the Ministry of Education and Human Resource Development will be sharing with you, the general public, our vision and mission for the development of the human resource of our country. We will be meeting with our various departments where they will be highlighting the work program, so at least you will be better informed as to exactly what the Ministry of Education is doing. So once again, we invite you to listen and to view on the appropriate medium what we are doing at the Ministry of Education and Human Resource Development. And I'm pretty sure that you will be better informed and will be able to make an enlightened judgment as to our performance in the ministry. So once again, thank you and welcome to the Ministry of Education and Human Resource Development, the foundation ministry of our country, the ministry that is responsible for the development of our human resource, the ministry that is responsible for transforming our nation to become better citizenry through a quality education for all. I thank you very much.
The work of the Early Childhood Unit is critical to the development of education in Grenada, and by extension lays the foundation for lifelong learning. Early childhood development started somewhere in the 1950s. We had what we call some small house or homeschool settings, and this was owned by private persons in the communities in our villages. But during the 60s and 1970s, we saw great expansion of the early childhood services. And so in 1970, an early childhood desk was established in the Ministry of Education, staffed by 2 early childhood officers. But at present, currently we have 6 to 8 officers, including an officer in Carriacou and Pitimatnik.
I am Susan Park. I am responsible for early childhood work in District 5, and that is part of the town of St. George into the south.
I'm Teresa Fletcher, and I do cover the historic parish of St. Patrick, District 2.
I am Carla St. Louis. I'm the early childhood education officer for District 6. And District 6 is quite wide. It mainly covers portions of St. George's.
Early Childhood Officer, District 7, St. John, St. Mary.
I am Cynthia Isaac. I'm responsible for St. Andrews, that's District 3.
I'm Rebecca Mitchell, Early Childhood Education Secretary, and I'm responsible for the day-to-day functioning of this unit.
Early childhood education is the foundation for early learning. It is the first stage of a child's life, formal education. It prepares them for the different aspects of life, for the different stages. Apart from home, it is a foundation for the learning.
This curriculum is very much child-centered. It has 40 years of research. 40 years of research, meaning it has been tested and proven. The curriculum speaks very much to teachers being less directive in the classroom and children taking charge of their learning. We, at the end of all of the training we are going to provide through the high school curriculum, we know our children will take charge of their learning. Teachers will do better in terms of the kind of support they give to families, the children in the classroom. And in the end, children will be better able to face the challenges at the higher learning level.